Hi guys, welcome to Gummy Goomey and to the fourth video with us about BT21 birthday cakes. This time I made for you MANG and CHIMMY. So if you want to learn how to make these two cute cakes, please watch this video until the end. But before, subscribe my YouTube channel, clicking on the notification bell, so every Monday you will receive a BTS video. And also, don't forget a big thumbs up to this video. And now let's go and I will show you how to make these two cakes. much for watching this video until the end. As I did on the previous videos, I am now cutting these two cakes and showing you how they are inside. Also, I would like to tell you I'm planning to do a compilation with the 8 cakes, faster video where you can see all the 8 cakes together. Probably next week I will release that video showing you the 8 BT21 cakes all together. But now let's taste mang. And here is mang inside. Also, as I did on the previous videos, the first bit is for you, for the best army around the world. Here it is. And now guys, it's time to cut chimmy. Breaks my heart, but well, we have to eat them. This was actually one of my favorite cakes I choose to make. This is actually one of my favorite chocolate cakes. It's not very dark, as you can see, but I'll show you closer. As the first piece is always for you, army. For you, army. As I told you in the beginning of this video, I'm planning to do a compilation with the 8 BT21 cakes. So probably I will release that next week for you, so you can have all them on the same video. I promise you not a very long video, maybe with fast motion, but enough for you to get a clue about how to do each one of these cakes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel clicking on the notification bell so you will receive all the notifications about my videos. My channel is in 2 different languages, and on Monday I usually upload just BTS videos or any other K-pop video, but mostly BTS videos. On the other days of the week you might find videos in another language, so our meeting is officially on Mondays. And thank you so much for being there for me always, for subscribing my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. See you next week, and thank you so much. Not before I purple you.